Here's the problem. Sometimes, in rare cases, if the victim is buried vertical and your searching beacon is horizontal, we've got a bad coupling with the antenna. It's a bad connection, and Johnny Cash Walk the Line might not work.
Because the direction arrow jumps around wildly and the distance number reads longer than it should.
Here's the solution. Old style bracketing takes longer, but it helps to handle these weird cases. I'm going to give you two famous people to make it go a lot smoother so that you can keep the orientation of the beacon the same. If you don't keep the orientation the same and you twist, you're going to f it up and you're never going to find them. The first famous person is Michael Jackson. He's famous for a lot of stuff, but the signature dance move is the moonwalk. So as I come in, the readings get smaller and smaller, and then when they get bigger, that's because I've passed over the victim. So instead of twisting, I'm going to moonwalk backwards. And that allows me to get true, accurate data. I get my lowest reading and I drop my hat. The probers can start probing there. Next, I'm going to use Serena Williams. She's facing her opponent at the net and she shuffles left to start and then shuffles right. And you get the lowest reading on that axis and you move the hat to your new lowest reading and then you start probing in a bullseye pattern around there.